Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, 30th of January. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, let us take a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. From Australia locally, we see drought, weaker Aussie dollar, and a recovery in dwelling prices, only just lifting the Australian inflation as our CPI number came in at 0.7%, resulting overall in not much movement for our Aussie dollar in a day which was relatively quiet for the dollar. The other news came from the US, and that was this morning, around about 6 o'clock this morning. The Fed Reserve kept its interest rate unchanged at 1.75% and sketched a mostly bright picture for the US economy in the statement that followed, but it did also caution that it would be monitoring the world economy, which could be slowed by China's coronavirus situation at the moment. Overall, not much movement in the US dollar. In a statement which was relatively anticipated, more or less. All right, time to have a look at our chart of the day. Yesterday's chart of the day, the US CAD that we looked at, was a fishing strip. I almost got stopped out on that trade. I'm still there. It looks like I probably will be stopped out, but at the moment the trade is still just hanging in there. So let's see if that one plays out. When it completes, I'll come back and I'll show it to you, but just wanted to give you an update on that particular one. The trade that I'm looking at this morning is the Kiwi US dollar on a daily timescale. You can see from the support line that I'm drawn in that the market has come to this level a number of times already. 1, 2, 3, and we are approaching that level again. Naturally, what I would like to see is some price action reversal occur in this hot zone, which would indicate a reversal and a bounce off that line for a long trade in this direction. Now, the little candle that I'm pointing at right now, that's this morning's candle. It's about an hour into formation, so I need for that one to complete to see what the final picture looks like, and perhaps tomorrow we'll be ready to pull the trigger on this one. So this morning's chart of the day, add it to your watch list, Kiwi US dollar on a daily timescale. What's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this evening at 11 o'clock from the UK. It's a big night. We have the monetary policy report, their official bank rate votes, the policy statement, and of course the bank rate. That all happens at 11 o'clock, so look out for that one for any pound traders. And then after midnight at 12:30 from the US, we have the advanced GDP numbers which are due out. That pretty much wraps up the session this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.